Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs on Windows 11 step by step. Uninstalling programs can help free up storage space and remove apps you no longer use. So, let's get started. First, click on the Start button on your Windows 11 taskbar. Next, click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Apps from the menu on the left. Then, click on Installed Apps. You'll now see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the program you want to uninstall. Once you've found the program, click the three-dot menu next to it. From the menu that appears, click Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. Some programs will open their own uninstaller. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. Wait for Windows to finish uninstalling the program. Once the process is complete, the application will be removed from your computer. You can repeat these steps for any other programs you want to uninstall. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled a program on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.